Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
I will show the only reliable method to connect Visual Studio to SQL Server. First, confirm Visual Studio 2022 and SQL Server 2019 or SQL Server Express are installed. Next, enable SQL Server Authentication and TCP port 1433 for database connections. Also, ensure you have a valid login or create one with a strong password. Finally, prepare the connection string including server name, database name, user ID, and password before moving to Visual Studio. Open Visual Studio and focus on the Server Explorer panel. Click Add Connection and choose Microsoft SQL Server as the data source. Enter the server name such as localhost /SQL Express or your IP with port 1433. Select the database from the drop-down or type its name directly. Choose SQL Server Authentication and enter user ID and password. Click Test Connection to confirm connectivity before saving the connection to reuse in your project. Copy the connection string from Server Explorer into App Settings, JSON or Web. Config for your project. For example, use server equals localhost 1433, database equals mydb, user ID equals muser, password equals mypes, trust server certificate equals true. If connection fails, check the Windows firewall and allow TCP port 1433 outbound and inbound. Also confirm SQL Server Browser Service and TCP/IP protocol are enabled in SQL Server Configuration Manager. Choose Integrated Security when using Windows accounts or SQL authentication for explicit credentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.